Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can ban users in your group on Google Groups. So let us get started. So guys, head over to Google Groups, log into your account, click into My Groups here, and after that select the given group you'd like to do that. Now, before you ban a user, you need to make sure that you have either the admin rights or that you're the owner or creator of the given group, right? So that you have the permission to ban users. So to check that, what you want to do is click into that group settings here to the right of the given group, and then navigate to members and look for your own entry here and check which role you have been given. So if you're an admin or owner, you're good to go. So what you want to do after that is navigate to banned users here on the left hand side for the given group, and here enter the name or the email address of the given user. Confirm by clicking into that button, and that is going to add the user to that list. So banned users can't post any messages anymore in the given group. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.